Hi, welcome to the Funny Finance Guy channel, and today we're going to talk a little bit about monopolistic competition. How to earn profits in a competitive market. So, how I got the idea coming up with this video was not too long ago. I went to a food court, and in that food court there were many food stalls, and I realized that everyone was pretty much selling food, was highly competitive, and food being food, very commoditized. So if we look at the competitive market as a whole, there are many buyers and there are many sellers. There are few barriers to entry and the products are homogeneous. So as you can see, the price is where the MC and the so we can see that over here, price is equals to marginal revenue intersecting with the marginal cost. And over here we can see that there are no profits to be made. So really, in layman's term, if there is no barriers to entry, if you sell a particular product and competitors actually notice that you're making a lot of sales, what tends to happen is there are going to be more and more competitors entering the market, and since there are very few barriers to entry, my profits would decline until it becomes zero economic profits. I hope that makes sense. But back to the example. I did notice a couple of things when I was in a food stall or the food court. There was this one food stall where they had a relatively long line. And I was wondering to myself, what made this food stall very special? And what I came up with was the product that the food stall was selling was niche. Also, it was a very popular item being sold at a particular point in time. Meaning to say that food cooking style was very popular at that point in time. So if you look at the Venn diagram over on the right hand side, you can see that when a very niche product intersects with a commoditized product, you have this particular area over here which enables you to have a little bit of pricing power when compared to the rest of the competitors. So over here we can see that when marginal revenue intersects marginal cost, price will be over here, and this region over here would be your profits. And this is where product differentiation comes into place. And this is where firms have some degree of market power. So basically, what I want to say, or what I've learned from this experience was, for you to be successful in any industry, you need to differentiate yourself against your peers. And when you can find a point of differentiation where the demand from customers are relatively high, that's where you can actually have some degree of market power or pricing power, and that's where you get your profit. So in conclusion, as I told you, make sure that you have when you enter a market, make sure that you create something different. And with that, I will sign off. So hopefully you learned something today if you are a business owner, or if you're thinking of starting a business. So, okay, stay tuned. Latest.